time is it? What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech UnRaveled, and today on the channel we have the 1MORE ComfoBuds True Wireless Headphones. We're gonna go ahead and do an audio test, a mic test, and a latency test. Full disclosure guys, 1MORE sent these to me and I was kind of surprised that they sent them. If you don't remember, they met this guy. He was very hungry that day. They didn't end well, but today's a new day. Today's a new story. Today is a new set of earbuds. All right, let's get started. Let's go right now. All right guys, so these right here are the 1MOREs, so they're kind of cool. I already unboxed them. There really wasn't much in the box. It was a USB Type-C cable, a manual, a sticker. That was it. There wasn't really anything good inside to speak of. These are already paired up to my phone. I haven't yet listened to them. I did get them ready and paired to go. I gotta say they are super duper light, which is a major plus. Again, USB Type-C. The case, now, I am not a fan of the elongated case, but in this case, I like it because it's super thin. It will slide right into my pocket with ease. I'm actually quite pleased at the size of this thing. I mean, it'll go in and I don't even know it's there. So it's really, really perfect at this point. Let's introduce Ted. For those of you that don't know Ted, this is Ted. Ted is a binaural mic. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the earbuds into Ted and I'm gonna listen, and you guys are gonna get to hear what I hear at the same time. You'll know what they sound like. So what you gotta do at this point is pause the video, go grab your best headphones, stick them in, go sit in a quiet room. We'll talk here in a minute, guys. I'll see you on the other side. Let's start the audio test right now.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinging, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the domain just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a veteran. New deal to my lawyer to if you're down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring, are you tough enough? Wanna get you new things for your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinging, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. I keep giving game away. I put game on layaway. I got paid to play today. I get paid to stay away. I get paid on rainy days. I might make it rain today. I got paid off pain today. Thought it'd take the pain away. In my own lane, finger roll. I would never sell my only soul. Heard your whole team was for sale. Heard it's on the market for the low. Who the realest, we might never know. All this acting, you gon' play a role. Give you the world when they sign you up. Try you out and then they line you up. Ooh. Now you're looking hungry, ribs are touching, need some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're old news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinging, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinging, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos.
What'd you guys think? I'll tell you what I think. First, these things are super light and super comfortable. I gotta say that. The highs were clear. I was able to hear all of the instruments. The mids were okay, and the bass, there wasn't very much bass in these. They definitely lacked that punch that I personally look for, that I like when listening to music. So with that said, guys, let's go ahead and hop into the mic test. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the 1MORE ComfoBuds True Wireless Headphones. Again, This is the sound of my voice with the 1MORE ComfoBuds with ambient noise running in the background. How does my voice sound? Well, let me know down in the comments below. So what we're gonna do is perform the latency test on both Android and iOS, the OnePlus 8 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, these headphones are not advertised as gaming headphones, but you know, we do what we do. When we buy our products, we want them to work a certain way. So with that said, I have the headphones into TED here, so that way I can record the audio when that starts. Up first is going to be the Android phone, and then we'll swap them over to the iOS device. Here we go. All right, guys, that was the Android phone. Here we go with the Apple phone. So there you have it. We did an audio test, a mic test, and of course, a latency test. Tell me down in the comments what you guys think. Do you like them overall? These things are like 59 bucks, guys. It's a pretty decent value. The overall size of the case is awesome. They're gonna travel very easily in your pocket. The audio was okay, was nothing special. Hopefully the mic test fared well, and hopefully the latency test was halfway decent. So with that said, if you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And guys, if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace! Brah!